Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to evaluate the binary operation, that is multiplication and addition of binary. Okay, let's say solution. Here we can arrange the number as we have 1 1 1 0 1 multiply by 1 1. Now we arrange. We have 1 times 1 here, you have 1. 1 times 0 here is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1, this is 1. Times 1, this is 1. 1 times 1, this is 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, this is 1. 1 times 1 here is 1. 1 times 1 here is 1. Then the next thing to do, we can add. Okay. Remember that we didn't take this one. We're going to take this one at the last stage. That is 1 plus 0. This is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0. This is 1. 1 plus 1. This is 0 carry 1. Plus 1 plus 1. That is 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1. That is 10. Then in this case, we can also say plus the last one given here, plus 1 0 1. Then we can write the answer, plus 1 0 1. Again, then the answer of this one we can add with the last one. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 here, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 carry 1, plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1, that is here 0 get down, that is 1 get down. Okay, that's the answer here is 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. That's the answer of this solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.